What's up? This is Donovan Green from Donovan Green Fitness. Just finished doing a 10-minute seated ab workout and it was brutal. It was awesome. The whole thing is sitting down, so don't worry. You're not gonna go down to the ground. We're not gonna use dumbbells in this one. You're not gonna use any excessive equipment. The only thing you're gonna need is your chair. So if you're a beginner, if you're intermediate, if you're an advanced, feel free to try the workout out. Give it a shot. I'm telling you, you're going to be surprised at what you can do. You're going to astonish yourself, and you're going to be wowed by the idea that you're working your abs sitting down. So let me stop talking. Let's get to work. Come on, hit the intro, and let's go. All right, first move, coming to the edge of that chair. We're going to go to sit-ups, arms out in front. 30 seconds each move. Sit back and up. Keep the stomach nice and tight. This is going to be a nice, quick ab workout. Sitting down, you don't have to go down to the ground. Remember, you're going to get different levels for different folks. Keep your stomach nice and tight the whole time. We have a few more seconds. The next move, we're going to rotate side to side. We're going to keep the stomach isometrically contracted, which means we're going to stay in the back position and turn the arms left to right. In 3, 2, and 1, lock the fingers. Turn here. Take your time. Feel the stomach tight. Come on, breathe, baby, breathe. I'm making like the shape of a gun. It's just giving me a better position. There it is. We're gonna work on lifting the left leg up and bringing the right elbow to that knee. In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Take your time. If that's too hard for you, work your way across the body like that, okay? Feel what works. The hand that's free, you can put it behind the head if you want to, or you can let it hang to the side. It's up to you. 5 seconds. We're going to the next side. Come on, really crunch into it. All right, next side. Let's go. You got it. We have 5 more seconds. We're going to go back to the very first move we did. Arms out to the front. And time. Arms out. Keep your core tight. I'm going to say it a million times. Pull those abs in. Pull them in. Keep it tight. Don't let your stomach relax. The lower back wants to take over. Don't let the lower back win. Keep it up. We're going to work the legs in and out now, activating the inner thigh and the outer thigh and the lower abs. We're going to do a double leg raise as well. Here we go. We're going 3, 2, 1. Sit up. We're going to go in and lift. If that's too hard for you, go here. That's the modification. I'm going to do it again so you can see it. But just keep the stomach tight though. Keep it tight, baby. Come on, baby. If you're not squeezing your abs, you're not working them. You're neglecting them. You're working everything else, but you're not working your stomach. You have to tighten them up. We're going to go to side twist and right here. So let the shoulders do the work, okay? Don't let your arms do the movement. Let the shoulders, the torso, everything is working side to side. When I go to the left, you shouldn't see my logo on my shirt. When I go to the right, you see my logo because I'm really twisting. Keep it tight. We're going to do this for 60 seconds. Forget 30 seconds here. Come on. Keep the chest up. Pull the stomach tighter. I know you can. Stop babying yourself. Pull it tight. There you go. Stay powerful. Stay strong. Nice. We're going to go to side bends. Coming up in about 12 seconds or so. We're going to go to the right side, okay? Left hand behind the head. Right hand extended out to the side. We're doing really good. I'm with you though, so don't think I'm just here showing you. I'm working out. Okay, left hand behind the head. Let's bring it down and up. One of my reasons why I love doing this exercise, it really helps the mobility in that torso bend, right? Working towards that side. Ah, that's it, come on. Pull the shoulders back. Squeeze that navel to that spine, pull it in. We have about 5 more seconds, and then we're on the other side. All right, switch it up. That's it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. The next one coming up, we're gonna do alternating knee lifts, and we're gonna work the elbows, right? Opposite side. Left leg comes up, right elbow goes to the knee. Right leg comes up, left elbow goes to the knee. You're gonna scoot to the edge of the chair as far as you can safely. Here we go, the clock is gonna go off in 3, 2, and 1. Scoot to the edge, and let's get it. So I'm going up and back. Remember, move at your pace though. Make it as intense as you wanna make it. Your intensity is different from my intensity. We're very different, okay? You got it. There you go. Come on, keep on working. We're gonna hold it with the hands folded across like a mummy. And right here, tuck that butt in, like you're crunching a bit in the torso. I'm sweating like crazy. Truth be told, I just finished doing a workout. I'm always doing workouts, just for the record. You hear my videos say I'm sore or just finished training, I really am. I'm not just saying it. And I'm here making videos as well. So, woo, let me tell you, it burns, baby, it burns. Come on, hold it. We're gonna work side to side this way now, coming up. You're gonna stay in that same position if you can. If you can't, then sit up a bit more and let's go. That's it. If it hurts too much, you can come out of it. If you feel too much in your back, that will feel better. If you're good to go, sit it back a bit. Keep that core tight. Be very proud of yourself. Get as far as you can. If you make it the whole way through, fantastic. If you can't make it the whole way through and you make it the first 4 minutes, fantastic. We get stronger every single time. Come on, we got this. 5 seconds. 3, 2, knee legs. All right, it's going up. So I'm gonna go here. What did I say, knee legs? Knee to ankles, that's what I'm gonna call it. You're doing good. You're doing really good. We have like only 3 more minutes to go. So it's too late to quit now. I want you to finish this thing. We're gonna go back to those side bends. We're gonna go left and right this time. We're gonna alternate it. We're gonna go in 3, 2, 1. All right, let's go. Take your time here. Feel the stretch. That's it. Come on, get that full bend. There are a lot of people who's against doing these type of exercises. Me personally, I love them because you know why? The body is able to move this way, right? So why not work in that area as well? Move that body. Give me another 30 seconds here. If you want to go harder, extend out further. The further your hands go out, the more intense the exercise becomes. Come on. Take your time. Feel the stretch. Yep, I'm sweating and I feel good. You got it. Woo, this time we're gonna do something a little bit more challenging. Did I say that? It's already challenging, ain't it? I know. But come here, lift the leg up if you can. Lift the leg up off the ground, hover them. If that's too hard for you, then go 1 and rock back and forth. Give me your momentum. Don't tell me you can't. There's always a way. There's always a way. Woo. If you wanna make it more challenging, just put your hands just like this. If I connect my feet together, it's easier. If I separate the legs, it's more challenging. So just know the difference. Okay, look, my feet is not on the ground, just for the record. We got 3 seconds. We're gonna go to side, elbows to the side. All right, let's go. And up. Give me a big turn, up. Take your time. When you rotate to that left or the right, look over the shoulder. Look as far as you can, not over the shoulder, but through the armpit. It's hard to talk sometimes and work out, but you know what? It's my job to keep you inspired, baby. Let's go. There it is. Come on, keep it going. Keep it going. Give me 30 more seconds. Don't stop here. Every now and then you'll hear me say, give me another 30. You know why? Because that's what we're doing. We're working. We're moving. We're grooving. That's the name of the game, baby. Keep that body nice and tight. 15 more seconds, and we have another 30 seconds, and then it's done. Let's go. Come on. Keep on working. We're going to go back to those leg raises, arms above the head or arms out to the front. In 3, 2, and 1. All right. Get those legs up. If your arms get really tired, you can lock your fingers together. That will help you to feel better. But I don't want you to stop. It's too late to stop now. You already came this far. Finish up with me. Finish up. Come on. We have only 15 seconds left. That's it. Come on. Keep on digging. Woo! There goes the timer. We got 10 seconds. Come on. Get those legs a little higher if you can. I challenge you. Come on. Get them up there. Yep. There it is. 3, 2, and done. Woo! Let me turn that timer off. Wow. That's what I'm talking about. Nice job. 10 minutes of seated abs. Remember, these cheer workouts is not supposed to be simple. I don't make these exercises for you to say, oh my God, that was easy. No, heck no. That's the other guy. I'm here to make sure that you're working hard. Your intensity, your calorie burn. I want you to tap into those calories. Remember, when you're working out, the job is to burn calories so you can burn fat. If you're not burning those calories the right way, then you ain't burning fat. And a lot of you ask me, how many calories do you burn in a workout? I don't know. You need a lot of scientific work to figure that out. What I'm going to tell you is focus on how you feel. The next time you do this workout, remember, keep on going harder. Get some dumbbells as you get stronger. Keep on pushing. Know that you got this. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed to the channel yet. If you're a part of the membership, thank you for being a part of the membership and for joining cheerworkouts.com. I really love you for that. Also known as DonovanGreenFitness.com, the same exact plane. You are doing fantastic. Remember, your body will not change until you change. You have to eat right. If you're working out and you're training, but you're not eating properly, it's not going to work. So eat properly, okay? Your body is just a body until you make it a temple. Later. Woo!